just on a walk around the estate as well, like there's rubbish all on the floor, and it's not kept to like a clean standard. So like same with the bins, we'll aim to clean all this up and make it look presentable for all the people that live in this area. I mean, it's atrocious. Like all the rubbish and all the stuff on the floors. It's welcoming like vermin and what's the word? I can't think of the word. But yeah, it's welcome.